Tired of uneven dough? Meet your baking power upgrade. Commercial-grade 900 baud motor crushes dense dough effortlessly every time. Planetary mixing action ensures no dry pockets. Perfect homogeneity. Reason 1. Unmatched power. Faster kneading. Shorter prep time. Touchscreen control with 6 speeds gives surgical precision every stage. Pulse function for those stubborn batches and controlled mixing bursts. Reason 2. Precision. Tailor speeds for dough, batter, or meringue. Massive 8QT bowl handles big family orders, parties, weekend baking. Bake cakes, pizzas, bread, one bowl, multiple family meals. Reason 3. Capacity. Save time. Bake larger batches effortlessly. Included stainless steel hook, whisk, and flat beater tackle everything. Dishwasher-safe accessories mean less cleanup, more time for flavor. One-touch tilt headlock safety and cuts power instantly. 6 suction cup feet keep the mixer steady on any surface. 190 RPM top speed delivers consistent kneading without overheating the motor. Pure copper commercial motor built for durability and long life. Adjustable height accommodates large bowls or smaller recipes with ease. Perfect for home bakers, large families, and baking enthusiasts alike. Seasoned pros love the power. Beginners appreciate the simple controls. Use slow speeds for kneading, medium for batter, high for whipping. Clean stainless bowl shines after dishwasher cycles, no scrubbing needed. Compact tilt design stores easily without sacrificing performance. Great gift for bakers who want professional results at home. Real-life test, pizza dough, brioche, and silky meringue. Flawless. Video tips. Start low. Increase speed gradually. Monitor consistency. Affordable commercial power for home kitchens without the restaurant price. Ready to upgrade your baking game? This mixer delivers results. Tap the link, grab yours, and start baking like a pro. Limited stock. Families and bakers are snapping these up. Order now for faster prep, bigger batches, and joyful baking. Remember, you will find these 5-stand mixer links in the description and comment section. And please subscribe and follow.